Hi, I'm Cody McKenney. I'm a service advisor here at Oakridge Ford, and today we're going to talk about our service specials we are currently offering. It's winter and that cold wind blows snow and other things around. Here at Oakridge Ford, we want your vehicle running at its best. Making certain your vehicle runs well is the best way to extend the life of your vehicle and help the environment. More importantly, a well-maintained vehicle keeps you and your family safe through this. By doing routine maintenance, you have a better chance of catching problems before they cost too much. For example, changing your oil. Changing your oil regularly will keep everything running well, otherwise you might burn out the engine or ruin the vehicle's systems. Both of these cost a lot more money. In a long-term gain, maintaining the vehicle will make it worth it more when you need a trade-in. Of course, here at Oakridge Ford, we have several service specials going on right now. But why visit us? Wonderful customer service and added value for you. Of course, a little incentive always makes it easier. We're also offering detail packages beginning at $89.95 for the basic package. That includes an exterior wash and interior vacuum along with dressing. Basically, this is a general cleaning that spruces up your vehicle. The next package level is $269.95 and it keeps the same basic cleanings as the $89 package, plus adds salt stain removal as well as engine bay wipe down. This is good for the vehicles who are out more than the average during the winter. Think of it as the package for the family vehicle. Lastly, the $479.95 is for those hard-working vehicles. This includes everything from the previous two packages and adds a deep cleaning. It includes interior and exterior detailing. This way your vehicle will be clean and salt-free. If you have any other questions, feel free to visit the website we listed on the bottom of your screen. Thank you and have a good day.